Welcome everyone to today's video. So basically today's video I will show you guys how I make my mint oil, which I use for my hair. So first of all, I go ahead to harvest the mint from my garden. That's exactly what I'm doing now. I then go ahead to wash the leaves thoroughly. When I'm making the oil for my hair, I use both the leaves and the stems. I then put the leaves into my mortar and pound it into a paste. You can chop your leaves up with a knife if you prefer it that way. I just prefer pounding mine. I then scoop everything up with a spoon and put it into my glass jar. This is actually the jar where I'll also pour in the oil that I'm using. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil that you have available, and that is good for hair growth. So this is the oil, the olive oil that I'll be using. I'll go ahead and pour it into the glass container where the leaves are, and then seal it and shake it slightly. I'll then place the glass jar at a sunny window for a week. Actually, that is why I like making this oil in the dry season, because we have a lot of sunshine at that time. After a week, the mint essence would have entered into the oil. Then I'll go ahead and sieve to remove the leaves, then transfer the oil to a bottle for keeping. I hope you have learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.